Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. As you know that I am primarily the student of class 9th. We belong to government Murad High School Government, and our class teacher name is Sir Abdullah. As you know that the picnics are arranged for the students' fun, enjoyment and learning activities. As like this, also our one-day study trip was arranged for our fun, enjoyment and learning, to having increment in our knowledge. Our fellow teacher in picnic पर Sir Abdullah Khur Sahab, Sir Amjad Ali Naraj Sahab, Sir Shafiq Ahmed Sheikh, Sir Abdul Rauf Jamru Sahab, and Sir Hidayatullah Wajad Sahab, and Sir Zulfikar Ali Shah Sahab. Firstly, we went with our happiness and excitement, and we entered in a cadet college. The cadet college was a well-structured, well-furnished, and well-infrastructure. We entered in a modern language level. There we got a demo classes, and also we captured a lot of pics and memories, unforgettable memories. And after having seen that, we went toward the library and the exhibition room. In the library, thousands of the books were placed, like geographic books, historical books, religious books, and in the exhibition room, the models of students were placed for the exposure of the students, the knowledge of the students. And finally, we went to the Jinnah auditorium. The Jinnah auditorium was well furnished, air conditioned, and luxurious. My experience was I got very fun and enjoyment, and also I got a lot of knowledge from there. So, Mr. Prakash, what you experienced from having a journey toward Mohenjo-Daro?
This second trip of Mohenjo-Daro was too different from first. How it was first, you are thinking it was too much different, because I have get a lot of new and different enjoyments, just like sliding and eating and playing with my friends and watching any other many new things. And also I got some beautiful photos. In the first time I did not capture some photos, and at this trip I got a lot of enjoyment, and in this trip I not only got enjoyment but also learning knowledge about past times, and how older people remain here, and how much Mohenjo-Daro was civilized, and how it was developed in the past time. I have learned these all things from Mohenjo-Daro's trip. I saw many new things, many different types of potteries, and it was which was the thing that was too different, and you have not seen this thing in other place.
Oh, yes, I know that I visited the museum in my life. It was first museum that I ever visited. This was a very amazing museum named as Archaeological Museum of Mohenjo-Daro. There I saw, firstly we know that the Mohenjo-Daro belongs to the prehistoric age of, and also our ancestors' ruins remains there. And I saw I got enjoyment to having seen these things at one floor. Means I saw the jewelries of our ancestors, stupas, also the statues, and also the other civilizations, maps, and also their buildings, that how our ancestors passed their life in ancient time with civilization. And personally, I liked Sir John Marshall's car very much, and I wished that I have such a car in my future. And also the picnic, a very interesting picnic spot was the Sugur Safari Resort. There we entered with our winning smile and a very laughing cheeky mouse. There we saw many things, and also we got enjoyed from the boating, horse riding, and dancing, exploring music, cultural folk dance, and also we purchased a lot of cultural things and traditional things for our relatives. And there we had our traditional golgappas and different ice creams, and we had a very good experience to have such a. There was also a big amusement park there. We feel very proud to have such a good picnic in our school.
So that the trip, why we are arranging a trip? Trip is arranged for entertainment, enjoyment. But our trip, we have stayed one spot that was out of our enjoyment or entertainment, which was sugar mill. In the sugar mill, we have not enjoyed, but we have got a precious thing. How it was too much precious. We have visited the cycle of sugar, how sugar is making. There was too much heavy machines, too much dangerous sounds, and we were too feared. We have too fear about it. We were too afraid about it. But we have command over this fear from sugar mill, and we have not only get knowledge about this machineries industries, and I have got a new thing from this sugar mill.
I'm going to tell you the last our picnic spot, which was the mausoleum of the Bhutto's families. That includes the shrine of first Prime Minister of the Islamic world and the fifth Prime Minister of the world, and also the shrine of the Shaykh Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Sahib, and also the Mohtarma Shaykh Benazir Bhutto Sahib. There we recited the Fatih Khwani, and we prayed for their blessings of the heaven, and there we got a lot of enjoyments having seen their biography, their biodata, and also the other martyrs' graves. We visited this with our heart and soul, and in the finally we ate some traditional foods like. There we got a lot of traditional things which are relating to our culture, like halwas, and also we purchased a lot of things for us and ourselves. Personally, I visited much things, and I have never experienced such unforgettable moments in my life, and I'm sure I will never forget this picnic of my life. It will remind me of my childhood. Thank you.